house food, and they have banana, sweet potato, and they would take me with them. Alright guys, that's my cue to say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
So, hey, Williams fam, I am back. I know I didn't even come back yesterday after swimming, but it's a new day. And I am here. I'm about to actually make some dumpling, well, some house food, and they have banana, sweet potato, and yam. And I'm going to make some hot dog and baked bean, or what the Jamaican they call it, franks and baked bean, and with my season. So that is what what's chefing up in the kitchen for today. So that is what we are doing for the day. I'm about to start cooking soon, but I'm going to have some stuff that I gotta go do quickly. So when I start cooking, because I pretty much prep, what I just did, I just prepped dinner, and that is it. Guys, you can believe it's spring and it's literally snowing outside. Huh? Can you believe it? Can't believe this crap. Oh Lord. There's something that don't fit there. I'm trying to see fit. Oh, and then even yesterday after I got back, I didn't even come back and vlog, which I am sorry about. I actually ended up, oh, let me put on my ring. Sorry. Yeah. So what happened was I ended up getting home. Pops was extremely tired because he is still teething. He has some of his other teeth coming in. So he was extra grumpy. So it was hard to deal, yeah, so it was hard to deal with him as well. So that was like a whole another thing as well. And he was tired. He had a rough day yesterday, from, if you guys seen the vlog. Yeah guys, I'm cold, so I'm putting on my robe. I'm putting on my robe. Well, I'm putting on Mario's robe. Hi handsome. Yeah, look at you. He just finished having some oats. Feed him oats for the first time, like not like blended up this time, because we just gave him it like how we eat it, and he loved it. He loved it. His little slurping noises are so cute. But are you sleeping? Oh, excuse me. I went to bed at like after 4 this morning. I was up literally working. So I was up late, just girls always doing something. Always. Well, at the end of the day, they say, you know, you gotta do what you need to do. They say, Granny always say, you want good, you know, have to run. Alright, well, my mother's always said that too. Say, Shan, you want good in life, you know, have to run. So go after what you want in life. So, because no one's not gonna hand it to you. Kudos to the people them that things have been handed down to them, and yeah, definitely hands up, hands down to the people them that have worked very hard for what they have achieved. You know, I say, I know everybody born with a gold spoon in their mouth, but you get up and you do what you need to. But anyways, yeah, so that's what I was up last night, and I got up I think about 10:30 this morning. Yeah, because Pop slept. I actually literally woke him up. Oh, so I'm still tired, and I just literally was just having like a little meeting a while ago. My gosh, I wish I was going. They're going to the Bahamas. Oh, I wish they would take me with them. I tell them, I said, think about me when you're on the beach. But you know what? That's okay. I'm looking forward to going home. But right now, we got to put in the work so we can make things happen and go home and enjoy ourselves while we work on our house. So yeah. And for those that don't know, yes, we are building a house back home. It's been a few years. They said slow and steady wins the race. You know, nothing is done before it's time. So you just gotta do what you need to do and keep pushing. So yeah, that is pretty much it. We're just here. We are just here. Like I said, I just don't want to come on and give you guys like a boring vlog. Trust me, let me show you the day in my life. Or maybe I'll do that, like give you guys a realistic day in my life in hibernation. That's what it should be. Well, I'm coming out of hibernation now. So, and now that I'm coming out of hibernation, my energy is a little bit more getting up there, and yeah, and basically now I'm actually putting in the work because basically I'm gonna put in the work because I need to make some moves this year, and I have some plans for my family on things that we need to do, some goals that I'm trying to achieve, which I've already achieved a few of them, which I am most grateful for. But one I am really working on right now, so I'm continuing to work on that one, and just keep my fingers crossed. Well, with God, all is possible, you know. So I'm gonna say with Him above anything is possible. So just hopefully that dream will pan out. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing. But when I am sorry guys, I was just there staring at Romario. Oh my gosh, Romario is 10 months today. 10 months. Oh, let me show you guys him. Don't mind him shirt. We need to go shopping for him. Anybody wants sponsor my son? My son needs some clothes. My son needs some clothes. He's in like his 3 months onesies, as they would call them. They call them onesies on the shirt that can't fit him. No, it's not even 3 to 6 months. It's 3 months because I checked it. Listen, me and Mario need to go get Pop some clothes, but I was like, what's the point? We just have to. Like the clothes anyways. Yeah, he doesn't like clothes, and then most of the time he's gonna be naked most of the time through the summer, except for when we're going out. But I definitely gonna need to get him some clothes because we do have some stuff planned, family trips, and hey, leave my phone alone. Oh, we have some family stuff planned for this summer, so we are excited. The kids are excited. Yeah, and we just hope everything pans out as we plan it to. Yeah. Hi. Say hi. Say I'm here giving trouble. Say, so see? Hey, leave it alone. Romario, leave it. Hey boy, is there your trouble? Leave it alone. Say hi, everybody. So this is just a chill day at home. Don't touch, Papa. Lord have mercy. Give me this. No. Yeah, so this is just a regular day at home. So that's his onesie. Don't leave it. No. Look at him now. Yep, and he's learning. He's definitely exploring. So he's opening everything. Look at him. Don't mind my floor. This was clean this morning. The floor was clean this morning until he decided to drip all his milk all over the floor. Yep, there's the wash brush. He was washing the floor as well. You know, he's doing all sorts of stuff. Romario. Psst. And his hair was up in one and he started pulling it out and rooting it out. Yeah, I didn't comb his hair from morning. So I just left it. I combed it last night when I washed it, because anytime he goes swimming I wash out the chlorine. Make sure I come home, and even though Mario bathed him at the center where he went swimming, but I still came home and then I made sure to wash his hair, shampoo and conditioning it, and wash it out. So his hair was up. What is that?
Animal.
What is that?
Mine animals.
What is that? So yeah, this is his little play area where he likes to come out, come play.
My name is Monkey.
But anyways, guys, when I start cooking, I'll come back and show you guys. Papa, say bye. You say bye? Romario. Sir William, say bye to your family. Say bye.
My name is Monkey. My name is Monkey.
You say bye? Say bye-bye. Come, say bye. He's too busy slapping the book. You gonna say bye? There's the lion? Papa, is that the lion? Are you gonna say bye? Say bye. Guys, he's not saying bye. So I'm going to put on these now because it's finished. As you can see, I have the dumpling done, I have sweet potato, and I have banana in the pot going, and I have my yellow yam, and my seasoning boil up, so I'm gonna throw that in. You can hold it, huh? Come hold it like this, just so they can see. Alright. All by yourself. All by yourself. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix up the seasoning, guys, and then I'm gonna make this fry a little bit. So this is something easy that you guys can make. Right, even this with rice is done. Simple. I just have my little stuff done, and I'm just gonna fry up the hot dog. And once the hot dog fry up now, I'm gonna add my bacon to it. So I'm gonna let this fry, and see the color's already coming in. Yeah. You see the pot over there bubbling, so it's almost done. And see that I love to prep because these are just easy quick meals that I can. So I'm gonna let this finish boil out now. So then it should be ready in the next 20 minutes. Guys, I like to walk up. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, when I was doing this, I boil the hot dogs them up here. So I usually boil the hot dogs them that I get first. Yeah, I boil them so they're pretty much pre-cooked, and I boil them and then cut them up. Then I just do this, add my little seasoning and my little spice and, you know, like a garnish and stuff. I don't put too much garnish and stuff like that inside because my family, they can be very picky and they pick out all the crap out of here. So instead of me wasting all the vegetables and stuff, I just do a little, you know, little something something. So that is what it is looking like. Stir up the pot. So let me see if I can mix it with you guys in my hand. Guys, I literally hate these burner stove here, the flat tops. I do not like them with a passion because your pot just ends up sliding off of it. So I don't like them. Give me my gas stove any day or the actual other one. So I'm gonna turn this stuff over and then now let's wash out And I just go in and add my pepper. And then put that little extra flavor up in the pot. I use water and rinse out my can. Yeah, can't make nothing go to waste. Don't have money to be wasting stuff nowadays. And this, you could eat this with bread. You could eat it with rice. You could eat it with noodles. So if you don't, one day you're short and you don't have something, that's what you do. Put it together. Put on easy. Stretch the gravy if you need to. And that is your family meal. So that is it, guys. I'm just gonna turn it down on 2. Yeah. And then this now, see the dumpling and stuff over here. Yeah. They always complain to me make the dumpling them too small, because I usually make them this size, so I made them a little bit bigger. Because Memphis is like, Mom, you make 1 bite dumpling. And I know how females are big, but yeah. You see the sweet potato there, and yeah. You have to put in the banana them early, because boy, guys, you know how long I haven't bought banana? And there's the yellow yam. You know how long I haven't bought banana up here in Canada? Because every time I buy the banana them, as the air touch them, so not even that, you have to cook them long, because then don't something cook as fast. And they're so tough. They're different from like when you pick the bananas them back home in our backyard, and and that's what I love about being back home. I can go home and just pick what I need and add a little water to this now. Yeah, and let that work its way down. So that's pretty much done. So see, it's finished. And you have some people when they make banana too, them just they boil it in the skin. You can do that as well. Guys, I am 10 months. It's after 11 o'clock right now. Oh gosh, it's after 11, and Pops, well, me and Pops just finished, had a shower. Yay. Say hi. So he just had a shower and he is all ready for bed. He usually goes to bed around, I try to keep him up till about 10, 9, 10, 11 sometime. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Mary, Mary, are you doing it? Mary, 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 life is just a dream. Roll, roll, roll your boat. Come on, you're not going to show them? Ready? Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Mary, 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 life is just a dream. Yay! Clap your hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Yay! Good boy. Yay! Yay! Give mommy 5. 5? Give mommy 5. No, remember it's the one hand. One hand. He's learning, guys. Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Look. Say bye-bye, Papa. Bye. Bye. Guys, he's so sometime-ish. It is crazy. Are you going to say bye-bye? Romario. Say bye-bye. Oh, his ears is bothering him. Say bye-bye. You're not going to say bye-bye? Romario, stop watching the TV. Say bye-bye. Oh, I guess not. Little man here is not wanting to say bye-bye. Hi. Say hello, guys. Yeah, so he doesn't want to say bye-bye. He sometimes, because even sometimes when Mario is leaving for work, he will say bye-bye. Oh, now you want to be all nosy. Say hi. Say hello, guys. Yeah, so we are all ready for bed, but yeah, just gonna go relax now. When he goes to sleep, say hi. Say, how much teeth do you have? You want to count? Say, I have 2, 4, 6, 6.5. Or is it 8.5? Almost 8 teeth. He has 2 coming in halfway at the bottom. Yay! Say hello. Say hi, guys. Say, I am 10 months old today. Yay! So I'm planning to do a little Easter hunt for him. He playing shy? Yeah, I'm planning to do a little Easter hunt for him. Oh my gosh, the boy put powder up on my face. Yeah, and Mario, he's gone to work. Oh Lord. Well, I should say the guys are gone to work. So it's just hey. Hey. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out. It's just me and the girls and Pops home. You know, at home. But yeah, we're excited. Next weekend is a long weekend. Well, yeah, a little long weekend. A little 2 days that fly off quick. So but yeah, that is pretty much it. I didn't even come back to show you guys the food. It was good. And I literally drop asleep because I drop asleep at Pops too, and then we wake up. But yeah, we're here watching Drizzy Burke actually. Let me turn up the thing. Okay, all right. So, oh Mario, mommy just put you down. Look. Stop crying. Oh, mwah. Okay. Yes, I'll go get you your susu. All right, guys, that's my cue to say bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye. You want a baba? Yeah? Look at you squeezing out the eye water. Yeah, okay, let's go call Dada. Wanna call Dada? Yes, we're gonna call Dada. Okay, guys. Bye.